Hello student, today we are going to continue our first chapter, The Living World. In my previous video we have discussed about taxonomic hierarchy. That taxonomic hierarchy is a system of arranging taxonomic category in a descending order. And what are these taxonomic categories? It is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. These are 7 common taxonomic categories. That means kingdom is one category, phylum is another category, the next one is class and so on. And the maximum similarity in the lowest taxonomic category, which is species. Today we are going to continue our last topic of this chapter, taxonomic aids. We all know, student, that what is taxonomy? The process of classification of an organism. And taxonomic aids are anything that help in classification or identification of an organism is called taxonomic aids. So, taxonomic aids are the collection of a samples or preserved organism, specimen, which help in extensive research for the identification of various taxonomic hierarchies. And there are different taxonomic aids. Here you see herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological park, keys, flora, manuals and monograph. They all are taxonomic aids. We read one by one, all of them. The first one is herbarium, and you all know about the herbarium. Herbs, that means we know in plants we divided in herbs, shrubs and tree. So herbs are small size of a plant. So herbarium is related to the plant species. So herbarium is the storehouse of plant specimen. And specimen are dry, pressed and preserved on the sheet. Here you see this specimen are dried, pressed and placed in a herbarium sheet. And the next one is these sheets are arranged systematically according to the universally accepted system of classification. And the most important thing, that herbarium sheet contain information about date and place of the collection, collector name, local and scientific name. Here you see in the corner all the information of this plant species have given. Either it is local name, scientific name, and from where this species they get, all the information have given in this herbarium sheet. Okay. The next one is botanical garden. These specialized garden have collection of living plants for reference. And in this botanical garden, plant species are grow for identification purpose, and each plant is labeled indicating its botanical and scientific name and its family. Okay, so that anyone can easily identify and classify it into particular categories, taxonomical categories. Okay. Obviously, student, when we read herbarium, we read that the collection of dry plant species. In botanical garden, it have collection of a living plant for research and reference. And plant species in this garden are grow for identification purpose, and each plant is labeled, okay, with their scientific name and family. The famous botanical garden are Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, which is in England, and Indian Botanical Garden, which is in Kolkata in India. Indian Botanical Garden. Okay. The next taxonomic aids is museum. Student, botanical garden and herbariums are the collection of a plant species, but the museum is a place of collection of preserved plant and animal. Okay. So, museum are a place of a collection, plant and animal species for study and reference. Specimens are preserved in container or jar in preserving solution and can be preserved as dry also. Insects are preserved in insect box after collecting, killing and pinnings. And large animals are stuffed and preserved. Okay? Actually student, museum have record of the object like the date, source, method of acquisition and information. Okay, so museum need to preserve the object for longer life. The next one is zoological park. The fourth taxonomical aids is zoological park. Zoological park is a place where wild animals are protected under similar to their natural habitat. It provided opportunity for studying the behavior and food habits of the animals. In short, we say that zoological park are the place where wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care. Always remember student that in zoological park animals are kept in human care. We protect them. We create an atmosphere and given them a protected environment. Okay, which enable us to learn about their food habitat and their behavior. And student, zoological park is a big area where animals are kept under near natural conditions. We provided all the natural conditions of the animals. Okay. And zoological park are often used by the people to see and study the animal. They are also meant for breeding of rare fauna. And you know about the zoo. Some zoo of India is Zoological Park Mussoorie. You see the zoo. And zoological park are also used as recreational creatures. Okay, so these zoo and zoological park all are the taxonomical aids. The next one is taxonomical aids. The fifth one is key, and it is very interesting student and very important also that key are used for identification of plant and animal based on their similarity and dissimilarity. Actually, key are analyticals in natural and based on contrasting characters in pair are called the couplet. Out of two proposed characters, only one which is relative is acceptable while the other is rejected. And each statement of key is called a lead. For example, I give an example here that if I saw an specimen, saw an species, then I create a questionnaire for that. Okay, key are generally analytical in natures. What? Analyticals. Okay, for example, if I see an specimen, then I have two questions, a pair of questions. Does it have legs? Yes or no? If yes, then next question. Does it have more than 4 pair of legs? Yes or no? If yes, then the next question will be there. So a group of questions, a pair of questions we prepare, and the answer is always yes or no. Then we move on in a next question. I hope you understand. And then the flora. Actually, flora contain the actual account of habitat and distribution of plant of a given area. And student, manual is what? Manual is a data and information for identification of a species found in a particular area. The species which is found in a particular area, we kept in a information. Okay, so manuals, information for identification of a species found in a particular area. And monograph, Monograph contain information of any one taxon, either genus, species, whatever, but kept information only one taxon. Okay, so this is all for today.